My beloved child, come closer to me now. Breathe, rest, let your heart settle in my presence. I know the storms you've walked through, the nights you cried in silence, the moments you whispered, Lord, I can't do this anymore. I heard every word, I felt every tear, and I never left you, not even for a moment. My child, listen carefully. This season you're stepping into is not the end of you. It is the end of what tried to break you. The battles that drained you, the fears that chased you, the voices that told you you'd never rise. I am shutting them down one by one. What felt like your breaking point is becoming your turning point. I know you've been asking, God, when will things change? And I say to you, they already are. Even when you couldn't see it, I was rearranging things around you, removing what was hurting you, protecting you from what you didn't understand, aligning what belongs to you, and clearing the path you thought was lost. My child, I see your effort, your kindness, your quiet endurance. You survived things that were meant to destroy you, and because you stayed faithful, even when you felt empty, I am covering you with a new strength. I am lifting the weight from your shoulders, the weight you carried alone for far too long. Let it go now. Let it go into my hands. Hear me. The chaos you feel is not a sign of defeat. It is the sign of a divine shift. I am ending old chapters so I can begin the one you prayed for. Trust what I remove. Trust what I close. Trust what I silence. Every ending I allow carries a beginning wrapped in my promise. My child, you are not running out of time. You are stepping into my time. And in my time, things happen faster than you expect, smoother than you imagined, greater than you asked for. What was delayed is being released. What was hidden is being revealed. What was broken is being rebuilt. I am restoring your peace, your joy, your clarity, your confidence. I am renewing the fire inside you, the one life tried to dim. I am guiding your steps, even when you feel unsure. Walk with me, not with fear. Listen to me, not to doubt. Hold on to me, not to what hurt you. My child, this is not your downfall. This is your rising. This is not your ending. This is the beginning of my plan unfolding. You are not alone, not abandoned, not forgotten. You are mine, and I am leading you into victory that will silence every doubt around you. Breathe, trust, and take my hand. Your new chapter begins now, and I am with you in every step.